Hello and welcome to the House of Tabois. Now in this video today we are going to be doing another design in a different variation of this design. If you didn't see my last video on this beauty right here, she is a halter asymmetrical swirl rhinestone gown that I went ahead and rhinestone on Ankara fabric. I adore this style and silhouette, and I love the fabric so much that I want to go ahead and make another variation of this design. So what I was thinking of is doing a short version of this and then have a block contrast color cape sleeve style. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my design concept, and if you haven't seen this gown tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and link the video above right up here so that way you can go ahead and view it for your reference. I also have a video on how I draped it as well. So let's get into that sketch right now. So here is my sketch options. I did two options. Option one will be a solid color block top portion of the bodice with the cape sleeve, and then the bottom will have a solid, will be with the pattern and the rhinestone and all that jazz. And here's the same silhouette as well, but this time I'm adding gathers to the neckline. I'm not sure if I want to go here. I don't want to be too much little details that might be distracting, but it can be complementary with the neckline, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gearing towards this. I might change my mind in the next video. So let's get started with the draping. So with everything that I do, draping my design, I usually start off with draping tape. So what I'm going to do is place my design at the front. And keep my square fence. Okay, so I finished draping everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my patterns and then add my seam allowance and then create the sleeve when it's time to attach everything. Okay, so I finished pinning everything together, putting it all together and everything like that. So this is the fabric I'm going to be using for my sleeve. As you can see, it looks like a triangle. So what I'm going to do is fold it in half like this. And then my sleeve width is 1 inch and a half, inch and a half. So half of that is 3/4 mark. Then I'm going to mark my seam allowance, as you see I've done already, which is 1/4. So now the length of my sleeve, I'm gonna place that right here. I'm gonna take my ruler. And then I'm gonna start shaping it. And then pull the thread to shrink the cap. And so my seam, side seam of the armhole of the edge. And then now I'm going to place the sleeve into the armhole of the top. I'm going to place the sleeve into the armhole of the dress. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this looks, and then I'll just make adjustments based off of the fit that I see. Go ahead and place this. Okay, so here it is. Here's the draped gown. As you can see, this is going to be a cape style with the top going to be color blocked as the bottoms. I think everything looks good, so I'm gonna stop right here. Okay guys, so it's the next day and clearly I look different. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and can I tell you, girl, guy, this has been my low-key obsession. I have been in the gym about like 3-4 months so far, and I've been weight training, the whole weightlifting. You know, doing the barbell, the squats, you know, about to work on my hamstrings today, girl, because you know, the legs gotta look good, you know, and I'm really thinking about like doing a TikTok just for my gym work, but actually creating some gym clothes, because I need some gym clothes, honey. I need to look good when I'm working out. It's just, that's the nature of who I am. And on top of that, it's winter time, so I need some, you know, wintry type styles. But anyway, that's not the point I wanted to share with you anyway. So basically, I wanted to show you guys that I went ahead and put it in muslin, the pattern that I draped. And I think I love it. I see that there's some kind of little bit of errors here and there, but I just could adjust that.
But so far this is what it looks like, and I love it. So we're gonna have some cutouts going on over here, and then it's gonna lead towards the back where you can see it's an open back situation going on here as well. And then the sleeves is the length that I want it to be. So obviously this is what it's going to look. Again, it's gonna be color block, solid on the top. Bottom will have the pattern with the rhinestone detail. Okay, so I gotta run. I want you to go ahead and subscribe and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video when we transfer this gorgeous design into that fabric. Okay, so bye guys.